Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to write high converting Shopify product descriptions in 2026, step by step. If you're running a Shopify store and you struggle to write product descriptions, your descriptions feel boring or generic, you're getting traffic but low conversions, or you're tired of copying supplier text, this walkthrough is going to save you hours of work and help you create descriptions that actually sell. We will cover why AI product descriptions work, which AI tools to use, how to structure prompts properly, and how to optimize descriptions for conversions and SEO, and the mistakes to avoid. Let's get started. First, why product descriptions matter more in 2026. Let's clear something up. In 2026, product descriptions are not just text. They do three critical jobs. One, explain the product clearly, build trust fast. Three, push the customer to buy. With AI-generated images, fast stores, in global competition, your description is often the deciding factor. AI doesn't replace strategy, it amplifies it. Step one, understand what makes a high converting product description. Before using AI, you need the right mindset. A winning Shopify product description focuses on benefits, not features, clarity, not creativity, objections, not hype. Customers ask silently, what problem does this solve? Is this for me? Why should I trust this? What happens if I don't buy this? Your description must answer these. AI helps you do it faster. Step two, choose the right AI tools. Right? You don't need many tools. Here are the best options in 2026. You can use ChatGPT or OpenAI, best for structured copy, or Shopify Magic. Inside Shopify, you can just click the one that looks like a ninja and just, talk with them, your AI assistant. Or Jasper AI, okay, good for branded tone. Copy.ai for vast variations, or Cloud for strong add long form clarity. For beginners, ChatGPT plus Shopify Magic is more than enough. Okay. Step three, prepare product input before prompting AI. Okay, this is where most people fail. AI works best when you give it clear inputs. Before writing anything, collect product name, target audience, right? Main problem it solves, key benefit, like 3 to 5, materials or specs, price range, brand tone, clean, bold, luxury, playful. Example, I'm going to copy this to show it to you. This product is for busy professionals who want comfort and durability without sacrificing style. Okay? And you're going to put this in Cloud or in your Shopify Magic, right? This product like this, right? And the better your input, the better the output. Step four, right? Writing the core AI prompt. Okay. Here's a high performing base prompt you can use. So let me use this one. Okay. Right. This. And I'm gonna put it, let's say, in ChatGPT. And high converting, write a high converting Shopify product description for, you're gonna name the product name here, and target audience, who's it for. Focus on benefits, not features. Use a clear, simple language, structured with a strong opening hook, right, in a persuasive closing, and add the tone, brand tone, and avoid hype in cliches. Use examples. Use example one. Okay? And paste your product details below the prompt. Okay? This structure alone puts you ahead of most stores, right? Step five, generate multiple variations. Never use just one. Never accept the first output. Ask AI to rewrite it shorter, rewrite it more emotional, rewrite it more premium, rewrite it more casual. Then combine the best parts. AI is best used as a collaboration tool, not a one-click solution. Step six, optimizing description for Shopify layout. Now, let's structure the final version for Shopify. Recommended structure, opening hook, right? Focus on main benefit on or pain point, right? A short benefit paragraph explain how life improves, right, with the product. Bullet points, key benefits, use cases, important features, trust section, quality, materials, guarantees, shipping info, in soft CTA. Encourage action without pressure. All right. AI can generate this structure instantly. You just refine it. Step 6. Using AI for SEO without killing conversion. SEO still matters in 2026, but not at the cost of readability. Ask AI to main include main keyword naturally, right? Include main keyword example, right? Just to demonstrate. Okay, or add secondary keywords where relevant. Avoid keyword stuffing, right? So it will show you here an example, a description, and an SEO a title: professional comfort work shoes, durable all day footwear for busy professionals, right? In the SEO description here. Okay. For example, prompt addition also optimize for SEO while keeping the text natural and readable for humans. Your description should feel human first. Optimize second. Step 8, handling multiple products at scale. If you have many products, AI becomes powerful. Create a description template, swap product inputs, generate an in batches, quickly edit for uniqueness. This lets you launch faster, stay consistent, avoid duplicate content. Speed is a competitive advantage. Step 9, using AI to rewrite bad supplier descriptions. Never copy supplier descriptions directly. Instead, paste supplier text into AI, ask it to rewrite in your brand tone, remove fluff, improve clarity. Okay? For example, you're gonna ask AI to rewrite here. Right, you can use also Shopify Magic, but I'm using ChatGPT. This description to be clear. Okay, you can also expand more benefit focused and original. This protects your brand and improves trust. Step 10, common AI product description mistakes. Avoid using AI output without editing. Overhyping with fake urgency. Sounding robotic or generic. Ignoring your brand voice. Writing long blocks of text. AI should enhance your store, not expose it. Step 11, just test and improve descriptions. Once live, watch conversion rate, time on page, scroll behavior. If conversions are low, shorten the description, improve the opening hook, make benefits clearer. AI makes iteration fast. Use that advantage. Right? So using AI for Shopify product descriptions in 2026 is not about laziness. It's about speed, consistency, clarity, scale. The store that win are not the ones writing everything manually. They are the ones using AI strategically. If your descriptions clearly explain value, remove doubt, and feel human, you're already ahead. Okay, if this complete walkthrough helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment below if you want a full AI powered Shopify workflow next. Thanks for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one.